How to fix still receiving calls on do not disturb mode in Android. So if you want to fix still receiving calls on do not disturb mode, then what you need to do is first you just need to go for your do not disturb. So tap and hold on to that and open up the do not disturb settings. And under your do not disturb settings here, if you have allowed someone to call while you're on do not disturb, then you will receive the call. So tap on the calls. Under your calls here I have chosen none, right? So if you have chosen someone, then you just need to remove that person. So for example, if I choose contacts, then 135 contacts will interrupt me while I'm on do not disturb mode. So if you choose anyone, then all the calls will interrupt you. But if you choose none, then no calls will interrupt you while you're on do not disturb mode. So if you choose the starred contacts, so for example, if you go to the settings under the starred, here I have no starred contacts, but if you have choose any starred or favorite contacts or in anything like that, then you will be receiving their call. So make sure that you have choose this option none. Once you choose none, then you will not receive anyone's call while you are on do not disturb mode. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.